Today I am going to solve all your image generation and editing issues. If you give me just a few minutes, you may never need another image tool again. We are looking at one free AI that is so powerful and easy to use. It feels like a cheat code. Whether you want to generate any image you can possibly imagine from scratch, or add, remove, or completely transform your existing photos, this tool does it all, undoubtedly. This is FLUX Playground, and I am about to show you why it's the only image AI you will need from now on. Alright, welcome to the FLUX Playground. The interface is split into two main sections, Generate and Edit. We are starting with Generate, which is where you can create stunning professional quality images from the nothing but words. Also from images which you are having already. Okay, the magic starts right here in the text prompt box. You can simply describe the image you want and the AI build it. But the reason this tool is game changer is the incredible level of detail it understands. This is not just for simple ideas. It can handle complex, multi-layered commands. For example, you can ask for a cinematic movie poster, a photorealistic organ tuner playing badminton, or a vintage car in the rain. This AI understands not just objects, but also camera angles like wide-angle shot, arts like vintage, classy, or anything, and moods like surreal to all different. You can even drop in the reference image to guide the style, combining your text with a visual you can like. It's an endless playground for your creativity, turning your imagination into art with a few keystrokes. Now let me show you its power with image generation. Let's make something. For the first one, let's create a fantasy character. So I'm typing a majestic knife standing in a dark, enchanted forest. His armor is made of glowing crystal filled with dazzling starlight. He holds a luminous sword with cinematic lighting and the hyper-detailed fantasy art style. Okay, so I have given the prompt. Now let's wait for some time. It will take little bit time. I think now it should be ready. Okay, so here it is. Look at that. The details, the lightning, the mood. It's perfect. Now for something completely different. A professional animation picture. The neon color is perfect fits. It has a 4 variant. You can choose out of it. Okay, now let's try something different. Let's try this one. A luxury perfume bottle made of frosted glass sitting on a wet black marble surface. A single dramatic spotlight from above creates a beautiful reflection. Professional product photographic and minimalistic. Okay, now I have given the prompt and let's wait for some time to make it processing and creating. Let's wait. Okay, so it's totally incredible. As you can see, the results are studio quality. Plus, Playground is really amazing. But what about photos you already have? That brings us to the Edit tab. This is where FLUX become your all-in-one photo editor. And it's where things get real crazy. The Edit tab lets you fix, change, or completely transform your existing images using simple text commands and thus powerful presets. Let's start with the image utilities. Some of this feature feel like science fiction. You have Move Camera, which lets you actually change the perspective of your photo after it's been taken, revealing new parts of the scene. You can relight to completely change the mood by adding different lighting. And a one-click product photo preset that instantly make any item look like it was shot in a professional studio. There is even a zoom feature to focus in on the subject. Next is the remove anything section, which is a lifesaver. Need to get rid of photo boomer or some ugly text on the image? Just use remove anything or remove text presets. You can even remove furniture from the room with a single click, which is perfect for anyone in real estate or design looking to stage a room virtually. And of course, there are the fun presets that show the tool's creative power. You can cartoonify your portraits. See what you can do like this, bodybuilders, or even use AI to try out new haircut on a selfie. The interior designer preset is another powerhouse, letting you completely reimagine a room style instantly. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this on AI tools, AI news and all technologies. But before we wrap up, I have to show you two more features that are on another level. First is the ability to add or remove anything from an image. This sounds simple, but let's give it a really difficult taste. I am uploading this image here. It's a chaotic, simple, detailed illustration of London city on a sunny day. Look at all the buildings, the windows, the people. It's very busy scene. Okay, now my command is going to be simple. I'm just going to type remove all the buildings. Now let's wait for the best. I'm waiting for 5 seconds. Let's see what it will do. Okay. Still waiting. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, yes, just like that. Wow, they have gone. The AI didn't just smudge them out, it intelligently filled the background with more skies, clouds, and trees that perfectly match the original art style. That's absolutely incredible. This is the power you just don't get it another edition. Okay, that was removing something. But what about adding to an image? This next feature is called expand, and it essentially lets you uncrop your photos. Let's take this beautiful painting of an tea party with woodland creatures. It's a great image, but it's a vertical shot. What if I need it for a horizontal YouTube banner? Okay, so my command is again simple. Expand the image from both sides. Okay, again we have to wait for a little bit to make it work. I think this tool is really smart and simple also. Let's wait for 2-3 seconds more. Okay, so here it is. Watch this. The AI is not just adding blank space, it's continuing the painting. It's dreaming up more the floral tablecloths, more the woodland scene, perfectly matching the original chunky brushwork and pastel colors. You can now turn any vertical image into horizontal one, or just expand your canvas to create a bigger world. This is the complete game changer. So, there you have it, a single tool to handle all your image generation and editing needs. The power this gives creator is just another level. If this tool blew your mind, hit the like button and make sure you have subscribed for more incredible AI discoveries. Now, I want to know what the first image you are going to create or edit on this. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.